Deep within Nigeria lies a realm of immense beauty and ecological significance, Cross River State. This region is not just a geographical location, it is a living, breathing entity that plays a crucial role in the health of our planet. The lush greenery and the dense canopy are a testament to the area's rich biodiversity and ecological importance. This region is a sanctuary, a cradle of life, holding half of Nigeria's remaining rainforest. It is a place where nature thrives in its purest form, untouched by the relentless march of urbanization. The dense canopy provides shelter to countless species, creating a complex web of life that is both intricate and fragile. Towering trees form a vibrant canopy, filtering sunlight and casting emerald hues across the forest floor. These trees are the guardians of the forest, standing tall and proud, their branches reaching out like arms to embrace the sky. The filtered sunlight creates a magical ambiance, a serene environment where life flourishes. Waterfalls cascade down moss-covered cliffs, feeding crystal-clear rivers that meander through the dense vegetation. These rivers are the lifeblood of the forest, nourishing the land and its inhabitants. The sound of cascading water is a soothing symphony, a reminder of nature's relentless yet gentle power. This is a place where nature's symphony plays out in its fullest, a testament to the raw power and delicate balance of life on Earth. The chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, and the hum of insects create a harmonious melody that is both calming and invigorating. It is a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Cross River State is not just a feast for the eyes, it is a vital organ in the Earth's respiratory system. The rainforest acts as a giant lung, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, thus playing a crucial role in maintaining the planet's atmospheric balance. It is a natural air purifier, working tirelessly to keep our air clean and breathable. The rainforest absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, playing a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate. This process helps mitigate the effects of climate change, making the preservation of this rainforest not just a local concern, but a global imperative. The trees act as carbon sinks, storing carbon and preventing it from entering the atmosphere. It is a treasure trove of biodiversity, harboring countless species of plants and animals, many found nowhere else on Earth. This unique ecosystem is home to rare and endangered species, making it a critical area for conservation efforts. The diversity of life here is staggering, each species playing a vital role in the ecosystem. This is a place where every rustle of leaves, every chirp of an insect speaks to the interconnectedness of life. The forest is a living network where each organism, no matter how small, contributes to the overall health and stability of the ecosystem. It is a delicate balance, one that must be preserved for future generations. However, this natural masterpiece is under threat. The lush green canopy that stretches as far as the eye can see is slowly being eroded. The vibrant ecosystem, home to countless species of flora and fauna, is facing an unprecedented crisis. The symphony of life is being silenced by the relentless march of deforestation. Trees that have stood for centuries are being felled in mere moments, their absence leaving a void in the forest's intricate web of life. Since the turn of the century, Nigeria has lost a staggering 13% of its tree cover, and Cross River State is on the front lines of this ecological crisis. This loss is not just a statistic, it represents a profound change in the landscape and the lives of those who depend on the forest. Vast swaths of rainforest, once teeming with life, are being cleared at an alarming rate, leaving behind a scarred landscape. The once thriving habitats are now barren lands, dotted with the remnants of what used to be towering trees. The drivers of this destruction are complex and multifaceted. Economic pressures, both local and global, push communities and industries to exploit these natural resources. Illegal logging, driven by the demand for timber, is rampant. This clandestine activity not only depletes the forest, but also undermines efforts to manage and conserve these vital ecosystems. Agriculture, particularly the expansion of palm oil plantations, is another major culprit. These plantations replace diverse forests with monocultures, drastically reducing biodiversity. As the global demand for palm oil rises, so too does the pressure on these precious forests. The economic allure of palm oil drives deforestation, often at the expense of environmental sustainability. Infrastructure development, including roads and settlements, further fragments the rainforest, disrupting animal migration routes and creating pathways for further exploitation. These developments carve through the heart of the forest, making it more accessible for further deforestation activities. The consequences of deforestation are devastating, not just for the environment, but for the remarkable creatures that call this rainforest home. The lush, vibrant ecosystem that once thrived here is now under siege, and the impact is felt far and wide. Trees that have stood for centuries are being felled at an alarming rate, leaving behind a barren landscape that struggles to sustain life. Primates in particular are bearing the brunt of this crisis. These intelligent and social animals are losing their homes and food sources, forcing them into smaller and more isolated patches of forest. The stress and scarcity of resources are taking a toll on their populations. The Cross River gorilla, critically endangered and found only in this region, is being pushed closer to the brink of extinction. With fewer than 300 individuals left in the wild, every tree that falls brings them one step closer to disappearing forever. Its close relatives, the drill monkey and Sclater's guinon, are also facing an increasingly uncertain future. These species, already vulnerable due to their limited range, are now grappling with the added pressure of habitat destruction. These primates are not just charismatic megafauna, they play a vital role in maintaining the health of the rainforest. Their presence is crucial for the biodiversity of the region, as they help to control insect populations and spread plant seeds. As they move through the canopy, they disperse seeds, ensuring the regeneration of trees and plants. This natural process is essential for the forest's ability to recover and thrive after disturbances. Their decline has a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem, disrupting food chains and upsetting the delicate balance of nature. The loss of these primates means that many plants and animals that depend on them are also at risk. The once common sight of monkeys swinging through the trees is becoming a distant memory, a stark reminder of what we stand to lose. If we do not take action to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats, we risk losing an irreplaceable part of our natural heritage. The impact of deforestation extends far beyond the boundaries of the rainforest. It is a human crisis as much as an ecological one. For the communities who call this region home, the forest is their lifeblood, providing food, medicine, and essential resources. The loss of these forests threatens their livelihoods, their cultural heritage, and their very way of life. Deforestation also exacerbates the risk of natural disasters. Without the protective cover of trees, soil erosion becomes rampant, leading to landslides and flooding. Water sources dry up, impacting agriculture and leading to water scarcity. The very fabric of these communities is being torn apart, leaving them vulnerable to the devastating effects of climate change. Section 5. Guardians of the Forest, Hope in Action. Despite the challenges, there is hope. Across Cross River State, a spirit of resilience and determination is taking root. Communities are rising to the challenge, taking ownership of their forests and fighting to protect their future. Local women, often the most directly impacted by environmental degradation, are at the forefront of this movement. The Women Association of AFI Mountain Wildlife Sanctuary, established in 2018, is a shining example of this grassroots activism. These courageous women patrol the forests, confiscate chainsaws, and report illegal activities to the authorities. Their efforts are a testament to the power of collective action and the unwavering spirit of those fighting to protect their homeland. Section 6. A stark contrast, witnessing the loss. The devastating impact of deforestation is perhaps best illustrated through the unforgiving lens of satellite imagery. Images taken years apart tell a story of dramatic transformation, a stark contrast between a vibrant, living landscape and the scarred remnants of what once was. These images serve as a powerful reminder of what is at stake. They are a call to action, a visual testament to the urgent need for change. The time for complacency is over. We must act now to protect what remains of this invaluable ecosystem. Section 7. A call to action, securing our future. The fate of Cross River State's rainforest hangs in the balance. The choices we make today will determine the future of this region, and indeed, the health of our planet. The international community must stand in solidarity with the people of Cross River State, supporting their efforts to protect this global treasure. We must demand sustainable practices from corporations operating in the region, holding them accountable for their environmental impact. We must invest in education and awareness campaigns, empowering local communities to become stewards of their own environment. And we must support the work of conservation organizations working tirelessly on the ground to protect this irreplaceable ecosystem. Section 8. Every action counts, restoring the balance. The task ahead may seem daunting, but it is not insurmountable. Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. By reducing our consumption of palm oil, supporting sustainable businesses, and raising awareness about the plight of Cross River State's rainforest, we can all play a role in restoring the balance. Let the symphony of life play on. Let the emerald hues of the rainforest continue to grace our planet. Let the future generations inherit a world where nature thrives, not merely survives. The time for action is now. The future of Cross River State, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on it.